But when I moved to Lawson Avenue, at the bottom of Lawson Avenue on Crafton Boulevard was a big white frame house where Bob Swindell lived. And he was the one. He was a really great guy, and we started to date in high school, probably, but very casually, because we had a great gang of kids that lived on Lawson Avenue, so we would go to the movies downtown on the streetcar and go to Lowe's Pens or the Stanley Theater and watch a movie and then go home on the streetcar, or walk down 120 steps into the heart of Crafton and go to the local movie, which, now that I think about it, was 12 cents for the matinee on Saturday afternoon and a quarter if you went at night. So he could afford that.